To get a dual app, the WhatsApp in this case on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, first of all you will need to get a WhatsApp on your smartphone device. So I'm just going to quickly download the WhatsApp right here. And while it's downloading, we need to perform a setup of our save folder. So open a settings on your Samsung device, then scroll down and look for the security and privacy. Now scroll down again until you locate more security settings, and there's a secure folder right here that you need to set up. I've already done the setup, so if you're interested, you can check my video on how to perform it as well. Now I'm gonna unlock it, actually I forgot the pattern. Okay, now I have it. When we have our secure folder, we can go back and find the secure folder app on our app drawer. So I should have it somewhere around here. Then when you have that app opened, you need to click on the plus button right here and look for the WhatsApp. And then just add it. Now you will basically have two WhatsApps. First one is just if you open it somewhere around your phone right here, and then you can create a setup for your WhatsApp. And additional one if you open a secure folder and select WhatsApp from there. And that is basically everything.